This is a test of the Carlian emergency alert system. If this were a real emergency, then crucial information and life-saving instructions will be shown here. This is a map of the Carlian Federated Republic. States that are affected will be highlighted with certain colors. The colors and the meanings will be different depending on situation. After the map, if you see your state highlighted with a certain color, follow precautionary measure according to the color of your state. If your state isn't colored, then you won't have to do anything. If the whole of the map is colored, this means that there is a national emergency. If there is a risk of a power outage or TV networks failing, you may switch to a battery-powered radio and tune into the frequency stated. You may also receive a notification on your mobile device sent to you by the government. In case of an actual emergency, you must take this EAS notification seriously, as it might save you and other people's life. This is the end of the monthly emergency alert system test. Normal programming will continue soon. Thank you.